I'll pop YouTube. Welcome to another video, another trade recap. Today is Wednesday, July 9th. FOMC later today. We're gonna be breaking down how I made $331 across my 5 topstep XFA accounts. Now today was not the best day. Today was This week in general has not been the best for me. But we were able to catch some. We were able to take advantage of something within the market today. So yeah, but that being said, let's break it down. So coming into open, honestly, as y'all can see, we were not there wasn't really much. We literally skyrocketed off open, and at this point I'm just like, okay, it looks like we're gonna go back to all-time highs. So how can I get in this? How can I take advantage of this? Is there going to be any possible opportunity? And that is what presented itself. So I ended up seeing this order block that we put in right here. We put in this order block around 948. Ended up entering off of that after we tapped the imbalance in the state, wanting to see along to all-time highs. Now the problem with this is that price wanted to come and stop me out. I got stopped out right here. Ended up pulling back, tapping into the 3-minute imbalance. So from there, I kind of just waited. I got stopped out for a decent loss. I waited for the change in the state, which we got right here. Added back on after we came down. So if these equal lows are after changing the state, wanted to see a move to equal highs, especially with the macro opening up. Got stopped out. From there, I waited. Boom, got the change in the state. This was, you know, another setup, same exact model, tapping into the 2-minute, 3-minute, 5-minute. That's what it was. Tap the 5-minute. Tap the 5-minute right there. So from there, I had a little bit more confirmation just because the 5-minute did get filled. Took that change in the state to all-time highs. Now my mistake with this trade is that, well, actually no, I'm lying. So after this trade, I was up like $80 on the day per account, and if y'all know topstep X, you have to make you have to have 5 winning days of over $200 to be eligible for a payout. And I'm like, damn, I want to get my $200 day. So I'm gonna continue to trade, and I'm gonna look for just something, a little scalp where I can make, $120, $130, something quick. So from there, ended up taking this short that got stopped at break even. The reason now, this isn't a bad short, and as y'all can see, it would have never got stopped out if my stop would have just been, regular at the high, where I took the change in the state at stop originally at the high. I would have never got stopped out. However, because we're at all-time highs, because we had a bullish SMT at these lows, I didn't really want to have much risk on the table, especially because I'm already up on the day. So yeah, I was in this short, targeting these equal lows and want to see this volume imbalance down here. However, I did get break even stopped. So from there, I'm waiting. I entered back long once we got this inversion and we had the SMT at the lows. I figured we were going to continue to expand higher just based off of how bullish we were. Now, this is where I made the mistake at, because I got stopped out, took a loss. And then from there, I kind of just waited some more, ended up re-entering the short after I got stopped. Once we did close beneath these imbalances right here, I got break even. I got stopped at break even. So now I have 1 loss in the day, 2 break evens. Well, 1 loss following the win, 2 break evens. So from here, I'm kind of just being patient. I'm waiting to see if there's anything else, because now at this point, I'm giving back some of my profit. Now I'm only up like $20 in a day. So now I have to actually lock in a little bit. So that's what I did. I waited. Took this. I got break even stops. From there, I took another short. This is what I took. So this is the short that ended up making me my money back. I took this short off the change in the state after we swept this high. I got the change in the state, and then I also ended up pyramiding on this. We are on the 15 seconds. So I pyramided once we got these body closes beneath this wick right here. Once I seen this kind of just wicking above it, getting doji candle, showing weakness that we were going to continue to respect this. That's where I ended up pyramiding. So initially my entry was, it was my fill, I want to say it was like here. Stop was initially at this high, wanting to see mainly these equal lows and then this volume imbalance that we had resting. So from there, once we got this close, I ended up pyramiding. fill ended up getting adjusted to like right here. New stop was at this high originally, and then I zoomed out to the 30-second. I recognized we had this 30-second IFVG. Ended up tightening my stop once I recognized that. Moved my stop slightly above that 30-second high to have a pretty good risk to reward trade. Let me not mess up the mic. Pretty good risk to reward trade though. Ended up getting all out at this low now. What I should have did, which I did plan on doing, but it was literally like a wick like this. The wick was in a blink of an eye, so I wasn't able to. But I did want to wait to see if we were gonna get this 3-minute change in the state, and if we did, I was gonna plan on leaving runners. My runners 2930 low. As y'all can see, that did get met. I wasn't able to fully capitalize and take advantage of this entire move, but we did make something. We're not going to stress on something that's out of our control, and that's not something you should do either, just because you might have been right. You could have left runners. At the end of the day, as long as you made money, as long as you were able to take some type of advantage, a small piece of the pie, that's all that matters. So I wasn't able to catch this entire move, but I did make my money back. I did end up getting my, $200 day, which is good. 3 times 5. We made like almost $1,600 today, which, isn't bad. We're working our way out of drawdown on the week right now. We had a red day on Monday. Did we lose it? Yeah, so we're working out of drawdown right now. So I'm not really mad at it. Market open was terrible. Wasn't really anything to trade. I really was just trying for real, to say the least. But that was that though. FOMC is later today. If you are going to trade it, definitely be careful, definitely be observant, be patient. I'm not going to be trading it because I'm already up on the day. I have no reason to take anything else. I also have some stuff to do, so I'm not going to touch it. But if you do, definitely be patient. And if you want the opportunity to live trade with me, if you want to watch me trade live, I have been trying on YouTube. It hasn't really been giving me the best luck. I've been having a lot of technical difficulties with it, so I'm not going to continue to try on YouTube. But Discord is coming very soon. If y'all want to live trade with me, y'all will be able to do that. You'll be able to hear my thought process, hear me out, hear a couple of my friends and their analysis as well, who also have similar experience to me. Good traders, verified traders, have gotten payouts, all that's good stuff. Y'all want to do that? Y'all want to join that? It is coming very, very soon. I'm gonna get it out this month. Just trying to make sure that everything is right. I don't want to release something that's, not up to par with what I want to see or with what I'm comfortable with. I want to make sure that I do it the right way. I don't want to rush anything. I don't want to cut any corners. But that is coming very soon for y'all to live trade with me, ask me, more direct questions, have more direct access to me. I want y'all to be able to do that. I want to form a sense of community. So that is coming very, very, very soon. Be on the lookout for that. And yeah, I appreciate all y'all for watching. I appreciate the support I've been getting recently. We're about to hit 200 subscribers. We were just, pushing to hit 100, and now we're about to hit 200. So super dope, super cool. I'm super thankful. I'm super grateful. I appreciate everything. Y'all don't know how much that really means to me, man, for real. But yeah, if y'all are new, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, all that good stuff. I have another video for y'all dropping today as well. So be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I appreciate you for watching. I'm gonna catch you in the next one, and peace out.